So this is a 4-wheel drive RC racing drift car. It comes with 4 more wheels, and it has the giant remote control. It has another battery, and it has a battery inside it. Screwdriver, 4 cones, and a charger so you can be able to charge it. Also, the control requires batteries. There is an adjustment on the bottom of the car. If you're drifting too much to the right, you can adjust it to go to the left. If you're drifting too much to the left, you can adjust it to go to the right. And the on and off button is right here. And this is where the battery is. So the wheels come in 2 different types. You have anti-skid wheels and drift wheels. Anti-skid wheels have little details on them, while drift wheels don't.
Turn it back on? Oh, that's pretty cool. Ooh, that's... Oh, whoa!